Sonnet number 2又係關於 progression 啦，勸 fair youth out of Southampton 去到結婚，去到同 Burghley 嘅孫女去到發生性關係，然之後生下一代。咁要留意咧 ，Sonnet 2咧有趣嘅就係好似係關於冬天，關於年老老去嘅。佢同 Sonnet number 1嘅聯繫咧就係關於農作業嗰啲嘅意象。呢度咧我哋有 field 有個 farm 啦 ，OK， 然之後前面我哋 Sonnet 1就有 Only harrow to the goldy spring within thy own bud bearest thy content， 關於玫瑰，關於花點樣去到繁殖。呢度咧就係關於個田點樣去到被冬天去到好似畫咗一啲痕喺度間作緊咁。When 40 winters shall besage thy brows and dig deep trenches in thy beauty's field， 呢度咧好有趣就係 Shakespeare 幻想 fair youth 塊面咧係一個田啦 ，OK， 然之後有個農夫喺度耕緊田咁樣刮緊啲痕出嚟，之後可以播種喺入邊。咁個農夫咧就係冬天啊 ，OK， 40個冬天即係講緊 fair youth 老40年之後會點啊？咁40年嘅冬天之後咧，你嘅眉咧就會被嗰啲冬天嘅寒風啦去到圍攻啦，咁你就會有皺紋啊，塊面冇乜水啊咁樣啦。Deep trenches in thy beauty's field， 呢個非常佢係形容嗰啲皺紋嘅。你嘅皺紋咧就好似人哋喺你塊面度耕田咁樣，非常非常之 vivid 呢個 imagery。咁嗰個人當然係時間 ，OK， 喺呢度就係40 winters。The youth's proud livery, so gaze on now, will be a tawdry weed of small worth held. Youth's proud livery 講緊 fair youth 佢嘅外貌 ，OK， 佢而家好 proud of 佢自己嘅外貌 ，livery 係啲衫啦 ，OK。So gaze on now， 依家好多人望住佢啦 ，will be a tawdry weed，OK。Tawdry weed 咧係 tattered garment 係一啲溶溶爛爛嘅衫啊 ，OK。Of some worth held， 咁就好少人覺得有價值嘅 small worth， 就係講佢年老 beauty 已經係 has a very little value。 Then being asked where all thy beauty lies, where all the treasure of thy lusty days, to say within thy own deep sunken eyes, were an all-eating shame and frivolous praise。 如果咧你被問到你後生嘅時候嗰啲 beauty 依家喺邊啊？留意 lusty 暗示緊 fair youth 佢係充滿 lust， 充滿 sexual desire， 但係咧佢有識女仔，佢就自己喺度自慰。呢個係 Shakespeare 後面會喺度 critique 佢。咁佢就話咧 Southampton fair youth， 咁你就會話咧我嘅美貌咧，依家你就仲可以喺我對眼度睇到嘅。其實個事實就係咧，佢對眼咧依家剩翻嘅就係 all-eating shame and frivolous praise。OK，eating shame 咧，佢係延伸緊上面 sonnet 第一首嗰度，佢話 feedest thy lights flame with substantial fuel。 fair youth 佢自己嘅 self love 係已經蠶食緊自己啦。咁依家佢呢度就係講緊佢對眼點解係 deep sinking， 佢唔係就係講年老，佢講佢自己嗰種嘅 self consumption。OK， 佢嘅 self love， 佢嗰種嘅自戀狂嗰種感覺係喺度蠶食緊佢。咁所以點解佢會有 shame？OK， 然後 frivolous praise， 咁 supposedly 呢度嘅 praise 係 fair youth 佢自己 praise 自己好靚啦，然後另外一個 praise 就係 out of Southampton 佢自己係一個 aristocrat， 咁人哋要討好佢啦，咁所以佢就會 praise 佢啦。但係 frivolous 係 unprofitable，即係冇乜用嘅，大家都知係一啲門面嘢。OK。How much more praise deserve thy beauties used? If thou couldst answer, how much more praise deserve thy beauties used? 佢就話咧，如果你咁樣答嘅話，咁你其實可以拎更加多 praise 嘅。咁你就 suppose 應該咁答，佢就同 Fair Youth 講：This fair child of mine shall sum all my counts and make my old excuse。依家呢一個咁靚嘅仔咧，fair child，佢特登玩 fair 呢個字，呢個字出現好多次，尤其是 fair youth 啦，OK 係咪？The fair child of mind shall sum my count，佢會總合咗我所有嘅嘢 ，especially 係 beauty 啦，and make my old excuse，而我老去，我再無法展示呢種 beauty 咧，啲人都唔會話我啦，因為依家我就有另外一個人展示緊我嘅 beauty，which is 就係我個仔啦。或者女啦，OK child proving his beauty by succession fine。OK 後面呢個 his beauty，OK 仔嚟嘅佢 Shakespeare suppose 呢個小朋友仔嚟嘅。This were to be new made when thou art old, and see thy blood warm when thou feelst it cold。佢就話咧，你嘅美貌咧就會好似新嘅咁樣，當你老去嘅時候。因為咧見到你自己嘅小朋友喺度，而佢嘅血咧就係非常之年輕有活力，所以就係 blood warm and thou feelst it old。feelst it old 就係 fair youth 佢老咗，咁所以佢啲血就開始凍啦，OK 接近死亡咁樣，比較冇乜活力，唔係太 energetic。呢個就係 Sonnet 2嘅特別之處啦。